So, hello and welcome again from the Flutter Firebase Festival. Now we have Martin here from Codemagic, and I'm very happy to have him here and can ask him the same 6 questions as I ask everyone else. So, and I'm really curious, what will you answer today? So, what did you enjoy the most here on the Flutter Firebase Festival, Martin?
Well, these festivals are happening again, so it is really good to see people that you have always seen behind the computer screen in real person. So meeting the community, I think, is number one.
Fantastic. Yeah, that's a really good point. I already nearly forgot it again, that this is not so common again. True. So how did your Codemagic engaged with the community here on Flutter Firebase Festival?
We worked together with Max actually, and we tested out some new idea of what you can do with Firebase, Flutter, and Codemagic, and we made like live coding, and where Max was to build like a homemade code push feature with Lua scripts. So it was really good to see we can show what cool things you can do with Flutter, Firebase, and Codemagic.
Okay, yeah, that was pretty amazing. So what motivated Codemagic to join in the first place here at Flutter Firebase Festival?
So majority of Codemagic customers and users are Flutter developers, and almost a lot of them use Firebase technologies. This is a very popular request we have, and coming to the conference is a great opportunity to get feedback and meet the community, so that's why we are here. Okay.
Yeah, feedback is always important, right? Which brings us actually to the next question. So, do you have some feedback for the organizers here at Flutter Firebase Festival?
It is such a well-organized conference, but if I have to think of something, maybe that the very small thing, when we arrived to the venue, we received later the tablecloth for our table, so it would have been nicer to receive it first. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. That's. I think that we'll happily do that next time. Okay. How important do you think is this event for the collaboration between the Flutter and Firebase community at the end?
I think it is. You can see it over years that Flutter and Firebase have worked more closely and closely together. A lot Invertase and Google, they've done really good work together to bring like Flutterfire, for example, to stable, and it's production ready, and they've done a lot of work to make this Firebase technologies accessible for Flutter developers. So it is natural that now we have a conference together as well, where people can meet each other. So I think it's really important.
Yeah, very good point. Is there anything that you would like to say to all the attendants here on the Flutter Firebase Festival?
Thank you so much. It was really nice meeting everybody, and thank you all the feedback you gave about Codemagic, and good feedback for Max as well to practice again in next conference this live coding, and yes, thank you.
Cool. Thanks a lot, Martin. It was a joy talking with you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the Flutter Firebase Festival. See ya.
Thank you.